Hey, what's up, y'all? Good morning. It's about 10:15 a.m. and yes, I am wearing the same thing from yesterday. If you haven't noticed, I do wear my sweatshirts, at least 2 days in a row, or at least every other day if I haven't, done anything too strenuous where I sweated or perspirated. So anyway, I'm headed to Peerless. I just have the snacks with me because the drink machine is down. I don't know if I got that on video last time. I don't think I did, but the cup or the slide that moves the cup up and down to dispense the drink, that whole mechanism, just like somehow all the wires got tangled or detached, and then it looks like they just kind of split. So it is a relatively newer machine, so I am a little worried. I don't know if it's something I did when I was trying to move it up and down to like fix the issue originally, or if it was like that already, but that's a whole different story. But anyway, I'm just going to Peerless today to fill up the snacks. Should be relatively quick, just like yesterday at Wyzog. But I'm gonna head on down there. It takes about 30 minutes to get there, so not too bad of a drive, but it is a drive. So I'll see you when I'm there, and I'll get the hack cam going for you guys, all right? I appreciate y'all, and have a good one. See ya. All right, here we go, y'all. We're going into Peerless. It's about 10:45, give or take. So once again, not that long to get here, but we're here. Let's go. A little chilly out today. That's all right. I appreciate you. Thank you so much.
No problem. You're welcome.
How you doing this morning? Good, thank you.
Different weather today.
Oh yeah, much different.
Up and down every day. You back already? No, I just looking for job.
Remember guys, I don't want the same issue I had at Wyzog, but the thing came too big. I'm going to change all these here to up here, like that instead of like that. Although we're not having issues here, I just don't want to have one. So, there we go. Actually, I can probably... Honestly, I should have brought stuff to clean them with, but I did not. So... Mind your way there. Sorry about that. Guys, this is an issue I've been seeing with these chips. They've been open like this or at the top. I always find broken ones with the bigger ones. I don't know why. Just press 2. Let's press that change. Here. Little button switch. Get that. Press 2.
Hey, how are you? How's it going?
How are you?
Good. What can I get you?
Just got a lace. Yeah, the big one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Have a good day. Thank you. Sorry guys, haven't really been talking through the video, just trying to get everything done. I'm not trying to speed through everything, but I just want to show you how quick it could be. Once again, I am just doing the snack machine, but as you can see, they're pretty empty. And this is definitely one of my most popular, busiest, whatever you want to call it, but they go through the most snacks, and they're tied for, I would say, the most drinks. But definitely during the summertime, once again, drinks, you almost can't keep up. But good. Let me change this. 116 to $1. Good. Good. All good. Here. Good. Okay. I also think I've got pepper. Other than that, it's all Pepsi product. But let's see here. So. Here it is. Fresh. And nice save, Matt. Thanks, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is kind of Hey, what's good? How are you? Good to see you. And down here it's a little different because the cakes. You can't really. I mean, I guess you could. Okay. Kind of works. The bigger ones are that's the problem is, but these are so popular that they can serve these like nothing else. I guess that works. You know, as best as I can get it. and then it's all done. March 4th. No, I'll leave them here just in case they all want them. So let's do these over here, just because they're a little skinnier. Rye, I know you said you like these. That's my buddy at Madison. He said he really likes these chocolate whoopie pies. So I'll have to get some for him next time, or yeah, that should be good for him. And then, hey y'all, what's up? It's about 11:40. I'm done with Peerless, so it wasn't that long as far as snacks go. It really doesn't take that long in general. And you can see by the video, their machine was pretty empty. Usually, so I was there Friday. It is Wednesday, so usually I wait actually 5 to, you know, I'll go up to a week sometimes, but really that's cutting it. Like I said, I'm here twice a week. Once the summer rolls around, probably 3 times a week, just like Wyzog and Somerset, to be honest with you. Somerset cranks in the summertime, but Peerless was just the snack machine. The drink machine is still down. Pepsi ordered parts. They have not received them yet, and once they do, they'll fix the machine and get the drinks up and running again. But not a bad day. Didn't take long. All the snacks were filled. Sorry my video cut off. I didn't bring my extra battery with me inside, and I really didn't feel like running back out. I finished, let me think. I just filled up a few rows of candy. That was about it, and some like Nature Valley bars. It's like 4 or 5 rows of candy, and I filled in a few things here and there, and then some Nature Valley bars. But that was about it, guys. You didn't miss much. But if you want to check out the whole video, I'll put the link in the description. And if you guys have any questions or concerns, please let me know. You guys know where to find me. And once again, I appreciate y'all. Be safe, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right? Thanks for watching these, baby. Vendies.